Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to find your favorite items in Roblox. Alright, let's begin. First, log into Roblox and go to your profile by clicking on Profile in the left menu. Once your profile loads, scroll down to find the Favorites section. Here, you'll see your favorite games. Click on the Favorites link to access your favorite places, which includes all the places you've marked as favorites. If you'd like to view your favorite accessories, t-shirts, or any other items, you can click on the respective categories on the left. For example, clicking on Accessories will show you items like head accessories, face accessories, or anything you've marked as a favorite for your character's neck, shoulders, or waist. This is how you can easily view all your favorite items in Roblox. So that's basically how you can find your favorite items in Roblox. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.